Hello guys, today in this video I'm gonna try and show you one of the easiest way to upgrade your kernel version on Ubuntu LTS. This is the Ubuntu LTS 22.04 version and the kernel here it's 5.19. Let's check it out just to be sure. As you can see, yes, 5.19, which is kinda behind already. I think the latest version on Arch Linux right now is 6.3.7, and if you have newer hardware or if you do some gaming or for some other reason you need the newer kernel, this is one of the easiest way you can upgrade your kernel on Ubuntu. But before we start, I just want to mention this is not supported nor recommended by the Ubuntu developers team, so most of the users use this and they have not experienced any major issues. But just to be sure, I just want to mention, please backup all your files before you start. And with that out of the way, let's start. The first thing before we start is we need to update the system with sudo apt-update. I just updated before we start here. It shouldn't have, yeah, there's no updates. Okay, the next thing, before again it's not supported or recommended by the developer teams of Ubuntu, you need to add an external repository through PPA. And don't worry, I'm gonna leave all the commands I'm using in this video in the comments section down below. So let's start again. Sudo oops, if I can type correctly, sudo add-apt-repository PPA Cappelikan PPA. Wait for it to install, it shouldn't take much, and it's already installed. And just install the package name, it's Mainline, with sudo apt install Mainline. Should be pretty quick. Okay, just update all the packages for a second. Okay, no issues, no errors, and we are good to go. It was pretty quick, isn't it? And this is Ubuntu Mainline kernel installer. Just open it. It's gonna take a while to update all the kernels. Oh wow, look at that, 607 available kernels. So it's gonna be a long list of kernels. If you want to use any specific kernel, this is the easiest way to choose. Let's wait for the kernels to update. A few more seconds. Come on. Alright. And the latest available version is 6.3.7, which is awesome. Just select it, click install, and wait for the installation to finish. It shouldn't take too long. Let's see. Put down your password. Okay. And we are done. Just click close, and all you have to do now is just reboot your system in order to start using the newer kernel. And I'll get back to you as soon as the restart is finished. And we are back after the restart. Let's see, we should be using the latest kernel. Alright, 6.3.7. Okay, that was pretty easy. And that's it from me. If you have any comments, any suggestions, just don't hesitate, leave it down the comments below. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.